I think it's amazing, and sitting with you and discussing about changing education systems in India, it's really amazing.
What I like is a very cute name, Tinkerly. How did you name it Tinkerly and how it all came about after being a student?
First of all, the name Tinkerly, so it's a combination of tinkering plus ly as a suffix. It's like a habit of experimenting and doing something improvised innovation.
Hello friends, let me ask you a question. When in school or college, how many times did you go to your labs? Or rather, how many times did the lab come to your classroom? Sounds crazy, right? Once a school topper who deliberately chose to be an IIT backbencher, who brought a revolutionary change in the world of STEM education. He is the man of innovation who has created history in the field of education by bringing portable labs into existence. To know more, let's welcome today's education evangelist of India, Mr. Sharad Bansal. Good to have you here.
Thank you so much.
I must say, so far, you're the youngest person on the show. At an age where people haven't even finished their education, you are running your education business and you are here on this show, Education Evangelist of India.
I think it's amazing, and sitting with you and discussing about changing education systems in India, it's really amazing. I not deny that it is butterflies in my stomach right now, but it is normal. And sitting with one of the most popular authors of the country and outside country as well, so it is normal. But it feels amazing to be here and being one of the. It's like opportunity.
Well, thank you. I'm very honored to be with you also. I really like people who do startups because I know you're from IIT. You could have graduated and just maybe taken up a job in a multinational and that would have paid very well. And to take this kind of risk and open a startup making portable scientific labs in Jaipur. Your company, what I like is a very cute name, Tinkerly. It's a beautiful name. And so right from how did you name it Tinkerly and how it all came about after being a student at IIT, why don't you walk us through that journey a little bit?
Sure. So first of all, the name Tinkerly, so it's a combination of tinkering plus ly as a suffix. It's like a habit of experimenting and doing something improvised innovations.
Tinkering around.
Of course. So you are having a habit of tinkering. That's Tinkerly. So when we went to IIT, there was a methodology called LPT. That is lecture, practical, and tutorial. So like whatever you learn from a lecture, you do a practical within the same day or the same week at IIT. What we missed it in from schooling life is that there were lectures in the schools, there were tutorials outside the schools, but there were no practicals. We realized that it is not possible and feasible for every student to go again and again to the lab and coming to the classrooms again and again. Then understanding this problem, we thought that can we bring the entire lab in the classrooms? And based on that, if they are able to connect it and then the theory comes. And we call it a 5D methodology. It's like see, touch, feel, understand, perform, and then you learn.
That's incredible. And I think the students of Tinkerly have really benefited. Those have been using your products. So we have something for you to see. Let's have a look at this video.
Thank you.
We have not only succeeded in bringing the fresh wave, but also evolved with time to ensure successful and sustainable implementations. We started our journey 4 years back with Innovation Lab that covers the basic science concept via 5D pedagogy and learning by doing concept that covers the 21st century skills like IoT, rapid prototyping, 3D printing, computational thinking, design thinking via STEM pedagogy.
Today is a very nice occasion where I'm speaking about my student Sharad Bansal. So I have taught Sharad in several courses and I have found him always to be very active and participating student. Let me say that when I teach courses in IIT Delhi, one inevitable part of my course is I ask my students to design something. What I felt, what Sharad is doing, and some other NGOs and enterprises are also trying to do. I'm so happy for them. I wish all the best for Tinkerly.
Wow, that's amazing. You know, yeah, that is amazing. From what you're telling me, there are labs which remind me of my physics and chemistry. Is it only for STEM? Which you may want to tell people what is STEM, and is it only for STEM?
So first of all, STEM refers to science, technology, engineering and mathematics. There is a story behind why it is STEM and then how it is going beyond STEM. So there is a research which says that in next decade, 80% of jobs will be requiring STEM skills. Whether or not it's an engineering job or medical job, even if you are in a humanities job, but those calculation skills, those computational and design thinking based skills would be required. And to see that kind of a problem coming in, we thought that STEM is the right mode. So we say the STEM is the medium, and we take the science via bringing such tools in the classrooms, and technology and engineering. When you learn with these kind of hands-on methodologies, you can go in a lab and can work with hands-on 3D printing, electronics, Internet of Things, all those technologies you can implement science there. But the entire goal is that not just the students who are going to pursue STEM careers, but any career they are going to pursue in the future, they are prepared for it, and we have a right workforce that can be reckoned with innovations across.
That's great. We also have Mr. O.P. Godara speaking. Mr. O.P. Godara, I think he's one of the founders.
Yeah.
So let's have a look.
जो हमारे कॉलेज में एक लर्निंग पेडागोगी होती है या मेथोलॉजी होती है, जो हम फॉलो करते हैं लेक्चर प्रैक्टिकल ट्यूटोरियल की, सबसे पहले लेक्चर होगा एंड देन उस चीज़ का सेम डे प्रैक्टिकल होगा एंड उसका रियल लाइफ एप्लीकेशन क्या है. सो जो वो एक चीज़ मिसिंग होती है स्कूल सिस्टम में, हम लोग क्लास 6 से क्लास 7 में एंटर कर जाते हैं, 7 से 8 में एंटर कर जाते हैं, बट इसका रियल लाइफ एप्लीकेशन जो पढ़ा है उसका रियल यूज़ क्या है वो हमें कुछ आइडिया नहीं होता. सो वो चीज़ कहीं ना कहीं मिसिंग होती है स्कूल पार्ट में. वो और हम कॉलेज में जब जाते हैं तो प्रोफेसर सब टीचर्स बच्चों को सेम एक चीज़ बोलते हैं कि आपका फंडामेंटल क्लियर नहीं है, या फिर आपका जो रियल एप्लीकेशन, इसका रियल यूज़ क्या है एजुकेशन का, वो आपको क्लियर नहीं है. सेम चीज़ सुनने के बाद में हम लोगों ने मतलब लाइक सेम सब फ्रेंड को सब डिस्कशन सेम होता था कि प्रोफेसर ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं चीज़ ये मिसिंग है कि कॉलेज स्कूल लाइफ में अपनी जो अपनी एजुकेशन सिस्टम है उसमें कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम है. तो हम लोगों ने कुछ लर्निंग बाय डूइंग एक्टिविटी बिल्ड की जिससे कि बच्चों का कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हो और उसको रियल लाइफ एप्लीकेशन कहाँ यूज़ होना चाहिए उस चीज़ पे हमने वर्कआउट किया.
Hi, this is Director Indirapuram Group of Institutions. In April, roughly April 2017, when the first list of Atal Degree Lab was announced, I was happy to see 2 of our schools in that list. For Indirapuram Public School, Indirapuram, when we were deciding on the vendors, I remember speaking one-on-one with a whole lot of people. And this boy, Om Prakash, stuck in my mind because I really remember the interaction that we had with him when he was trying to talk about the products, which could be probably be listed or bought for in the Atal Tinkering Lab. The way he talked about all the products, the way Tinkerly, the people formerly called Srijana at that point of time, they were Srijana. When they met us, the way they talked about the products and the way they explained and the way they could associate the learning and the innovations with the product that they were selling was amazing. And this particular company stuck to my mind. These people, Sharad, I met much later, but then the way the thought behind that, the thought that goes behind their products is amazing.
Those are nice words indeed. You hadn't even graduated from college and you had made 100 aids for the classroom.
Right. So one important aspect of being an IIT is you are surrounded with the kind of people ambitious and they start things doing at the right time. When we identified that we are actually looking for this problem and we started right at time, and I think we were luckiest to start at that moment of our phase, that the least of the risk we have to face with. Then by the time we were giving our major examinations, we were actually signed up in a school based in Jaipur and we were establishing a lab before giving our examination.
Has education always excited you?
Being frank, like I would say no always, not always.
Yeah.
But when I reached in IIT and when we figured out with this solution in Tinkerly, that is the moment I found the answers of all these questions. That first, why I am learning, because I can see the right application right there. Second, that a teacher doesn't have to be the great teachers. They can be great teachers if they are supported with the right tools and technologies. Third, something that like any parents we meet today and any child we meet today, the kind of excitement when we see when they are playing with these tools and actually being excited about science and technology, that is all the excitement that we are having right now, and this excitement is like last longing, and it's like forever kind of.
Did you have fun in IIT?
So that's what I'm saying. So I was studying only in my examinations, not at all the time.
So what did you do for fun?
What happened, luckily in my hostel, we were the worst performer in dance competition, inter-hostel dance competition at that time. And that was the way that I got the opportunity to dance with them, because I was knowing nothing. So that was the case. This was the opportunity when we first time in a competition I danced at a stage. That was the opportunity. My entire stage fear was gone away.
Are you working at, of course, education evangelist and running this startup? Are you working all the time? Are you able to get a work-life balance, or is a life of a startup owner, is it all about Tinkerly right now?
My most of the time goes into traveling, sometimes for works and sometimes for when I am off from work. Whenever I am at home, the day simply starts with some sports in the morning, because I am very getting bored of going to gym every day. But yeah, sports is something that's a great stress buster also. And then back to home, being in a city like Jaipur, it is an opportunity that I am able to live with my family. So we can spend a few hours with them. And
That's all we have for today, but we have a little tradition of taking a picture. I give you a little memento and put your picture up on the picture wall we have there. So I'll take a picture with you. So come, let's take a picture together.
sure.
At the onset of the show, I had raised a concern that does our conventional education system do enough to equip someone in creating a difference in society? I think now I don't need to answer this question anymore. With Tinkerly, you have the answer. That's all for today. Keep watching Education Evangelist of India, streaming now on ForbesIndia.com.